Alright. Oh, 1 second. Had to pause my music before I got copyrighted. So, I'm currently about to start on pulling the motor, trans, meshing on my 89 Chevy Cheyanne stepson. I'll give you an overview of the truck here in a minute. But last year we did all the top end gaskets except for the head gaskets, and our head gaskets just went out. So I wanted to redo the motor then. Just got tired of waiting on the parts and everything else, so we're doing it now. Considering my rear main, head gaskets, and I got a couple other issues with the truck that I'm going to address during this rebuild. It's a 5.7 V8 350 Chevy small block. Alright, this is the truck. Yes, I know it's missing the front bumper. I was hit on the driver's side and ain't replaced the bumper yet. I've already been in here once and had this all apart, so it's not going to be much different for me. It's an old truck. It's got the rust and everything else on it. But this right here, it being a manual, is the main reason I'm wanting to keep it and fix it. We got some body work to do. I'm not even going to show you the rockers. They're pretty much non-existent. But yeah, this is pretty much the truck. I'll insert some pictures here in a second of what it looked like before the front end damage. Alright, so, shit, I'm not even in frame, am I? We'll try there. Alright. Considering height restraints and all that, and just making it overall easier to get in here, I'm going to be pulling the hood, front end off. Don't know if I'm going to pull the core support out yet or not. Get the motor out, probably with the trans still attached to it, since that will be easier. And we'll go from there. So let's work on getting this hood taken off. Now these hood bolts I do believe are 1/2 inch. Nope, 9/16. Now I've taken this hood off. Well, I put this hood on by myself. No, 1/2 inch. We'll just grab the reel. There's our 1/2 inch. Oh, let's grab a 13. Yep, 13. Oh, I actually 3D printed these socket reels I'm using. They're working pretty good so far. That's what I need. Go ahead and put the 1/2 inch back. Lay that over there. Hold on. Let's grab something to support this before I go pulling it off. I'll just use the trusty jack handle. Find the right socket for it. hopefully that holds so we don't have a full hood fall on our head. I need that socket I just put back on here. And I put the wrong socket on this reel anyways. It's 2 bolts here, and there's one back here on both sides that you have to take out. This side loosened up. Move over to the other side. And that one's a 3. I believe that one's a 10. Go ahead and taking that one out since it wasn't in all the way. I need a bolt bucket. I'll be back once I find the bolt bucket. And got the hood off. Alright, we got the hood off. Here's a better look at the motor. I don't know if y'all will be able to see that. Hold on, I'll just grab you off the tripod. But this is some of that wiring I was talking about I was going to fix. And we got more back here. Oh. Bit of a better look at overall what we got under here. I don't know how many alternators I've been through. That's the biggest reason for the wiring. So guess I'm gonna start tearing down accessory drive, radiator fans, and the radiator fan because it's hooked to the water pump. No, but yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'll be back. Alright, we got a bit of a dilemma. So, once you start pulling the accessory drive and all that, remember, it's still full of fluids and everything else, so gotta find something to drain that into here. I forgot my drain pan, so I'll probably have to run and get that because I'm doing this in my friend's garage, so I gotta try to get it done ASAP. Alright, well, we're probably about to go on an adventure. So, got my drain pan, got a bucket to put all the fluids in because none of the fluids are going back in this after I take them out. So, let's recommence taking all this apart. Went home to get my stuff, ended up sitting there a half hour, so a little low on time. But I'll get done what I can today. I've got the radiator hoses, well, 2 up here, on my upper unhooked. That radiator is still pissing fluid down there. I'm going to hold off. Oil's drained, so I'll go ahead and crawl back under there. Snug the drain plug up. Then, once I get all that done, should have done before I started, but might get this up on jack stands to make it easier to get underneath it. So, I'm going to get started on that. I'll take y'all down here to show you what the underneath of this looks like. Where's my light? There it is. Alright. For it being 89... Oh, I'm blinding y'all. It's actually in pretty good shape. Ignore the shitty ass exhaust. That was on it when I got the truck. But need to have my trans mount redone because there's supposed to be a bolt there, but that hole's busted out. I don't know if y'all will be able to see this or not, but all right in there is covered in oil. I actually need to check that oil because I don't know how bad the head gaskets actually were. I'm going to put my drain plug back in while I'm laying down here and finish getting the radiator out. Alright, this is what the oil looks like. I'm glad there's no coolant in it, or else we'd be doing bearings in the motor too, which I still might do. Let's go ahead and get those done so I ain't got to worry about them. Let's wait till I get it opened up before we decide on that. Alright, I got a bit of a late start today and it's getting kind of late, but that's going to be it on the truck for tonight. I might come back by tomorrow and do some more on it, but we got pretty much the entire accessory drive taken off. Ain't done nothing to the top of the motor yet. All the fluids are pretty much drained out of it. And I made a big mess doing that, so I'm working on getting all that soaked up. Using towels, well, old towels I've already grease stained since I ain't got no floor dryer or anything here. Let's go ahead and grab this other one, throw down. Well, all the fluids except for the coolant, looked good. The coolant was just rusty. That's another reason on me rebuilding the motor in this. But if this is it, the end of the video, I'll see y'all next time. I'll try to have a video up every Sunday during the process of this. It will be Sunday or Saturday. But I'll leave my Twitter in the description below. I'll put all updates and stuff of when a video is coming out on there. Well, till next time.